What if I told you you could turn $100 into $1,000, then into $10,000, and eventually into millions? Sounds like a fantasy, right? But I've done it myself. Just a few years ago, I was broke, stuck in a dead-end job, and I thought investing was only for Wall Street experts. But then I discovered the truth. Building wealth isn't about luck or being a genius. It's about following a simple, proven system. Today, I'm giving you that system. No complicated jargon. Just what actually works. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to put your first $100 to start building real wealth. Before we talk about stocks, crypto, or real estate, let's talk about mindset. Most people fail at investing before they even start. Not because they choose the wrong stock, but because of mental traps. Trap number 1. I need money to make money. Wrong. You can start with $100 or less. Warren Buffett started small too. The secret? Start early, start small, and stay consistent. Trap number 2. Get rich quick. Real wealth isn't fast, it's steady. $100 per month in the S&P 500 could grow to over $1 million in 30 years. Boring? Yes. But it works. Trap number 3. Investing is too complicated. It's not. You don't need to be a genius. Just follow a simple system and let it grow. Now, where should you put your money? Let's break it down into 4 easy tiers. Tier 1. Index funds, the foundation. Start here. The S&P 500 tracks the 500 biggest U.S. companies. Put in $100 per month and let it grow over time. No guessing, no stress. Tier 2. Real estate, without buying a house. Use REITs. Real estate investment trusts. They pay monthly dividends like rent. You can invest with just a few dollars. Example: Vanguard's VNQ. Tier 3. Crypto, the smart way. Don't chase meme coins. Hold stable coins like USDC. They earn 5 to 10% interest. Like a savings account, but smarter. Tier 4. Your own skills. Best investment? You. Learn skills like coding, YouTube, or copywriting. It could 10 times your income faster than any stock. Let's get practical. Here's how to start today. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Use Charles Schwab, Fidelity, or Vanguard. Step 2. Automate your investments. Set up a $50 or $100 weekly deposit into an S&P 500 fund. Step 3. Reinvest everything. Turn on DRIP, so your dividends buy more shares automatically. Step 4. Diversify, don't go all in on one thing. Try 70% index funds, 20%. REITs, crypto, 10% for fun personal picks. I've made these, so you don't have to. Mistake number 1. Panic. Selling markets crash. That's normal, stay calm. Long term, they always bounce back. Mistake number 2. Chasing hype. By the time you hear the news, it's too late. Stick to your plan. Mistake number 3. Checking daily. This isn't a casino. The less you check, the more you'll earn. If you remember one thing, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time, right now. Open that account, even if it's just $100, because small steps today equals big wealth tomorrow. Your future millionaire self is counting on you.